Hi, I'm Barb from my girlfriend's quilt shop. And if you've got a serger or any machine, but if you've got one of our baby lock sergers, what do you need to do every time you use it? Well, pretty much.
Clean it.
Clean it, yes.
Yourself.
Well, do not oil. Now this goes for any of our sergers. Do not oil. All right?
Okay. Anywhere.
Not anywhere. But you can see I have been using this morning. It's a little dusty and dirty in there. It's not too bad, but it's still dirty. So what are you going to do?
I'm going to
You're
call
gonna...
Ghostbusters.
You wish. All right, first of all, you're just going to take your brush and brush off as much as you can.
Okay.
You want to keep this clean because if you don't, you're going to start getting ugly stitches.
Okay.
Now, because I can open my door, I can kind of blow through it.
Okay.
If I need to. If your door does not open, you never want to blow into it because where does all that dust
pack
go?
it in there.
It'll just pack it in there.
Okay.
That happened with one of my machines. I thought that canned air was the way to go, and so I would blow it in all the time. Oh, my machine was clean. It was beautiful.
Except
I took it in because it stopped working, and he says, "What did you do?" It was all impacted deep inside. But with this one, I'm just going to clean off as much as I can. I'm not going to oil anything in there. Just going to clean it off. If you have a vacuum, this is a great thing to suck out.
Oh, those little vacuums.
Those little machine vacuums. That is a wonderful thing to do. And really, that's all you do.
Really? Until you go and you have it serviced.
Once a year, you should have it oiled because they will oil things up inside here that you can't get to.
What if I don't use it all year?
It doesn't matter.
Okay,
it doesn't matter.
Why?
Because the oils up there will coagulate.
Okay.
And you just have to have it cleaned out. If it's been in storage for a year, it doesn't matter. Take
Still.
it in and get it serviced.
Okay.
And they're great.
All right. Thank you, Barb.